You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name, the Catholic name of the new Pope. If you want to learn his real name and how it is pronounced, he's got a name of French origin, I believe, so it's not always obvious. I've got a video for you. Leo the 14th is how you pronounce it. Leo. Some may say Leon is how you say it as well. Leo in Italian, Leo in English, Pope Leo the 14th. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.